Hello everyone, this is Shubham Chaudhary and I welcome you in the next video of our YouTube channel. So this is the problem which was asked on 15th of February, and the problem is LeetCode medium, which is find polygon with the largest perimeter. So they have given an array of positive integer nums of length n. A polygon is a closed plane figure that has at least 3 sides. So the longest side of polygon is smaller than the sum of its other sides. And conversely, if you have k which is greater than equal to 3, a positive real numbers a1, a2, a3 from ak, where a1 is less than equal to a2 less than equal to a3 and a1 plus a2 plus a3 is greater than ak, then there always exists a polygon with k sides whose lengths are a1, a2, a3, dash dash. The perimeter of polygon is the sum of length of its sides. We need to return the largest possible perimeter of a polygon whose sides can be formed from nums or -1 if it is not possible to create a polygon. So the problem states that nums 5, 5, 5, 15, because the only possible polygon that can be made from nums has 3 sides, 5, 5, 5. So the perimeter is this. In the second example, from this we can form the polygon with the largest perimeter, which can be formed from the nums has 5 sides. So 1, 1, 2, 3 and 5. So we can make so the perimeter will be 12. The perimeter is 12. We cannot have a polygon with either 12 or 15 as the longest side because it is not possible to include 2 or more smaller sides that have a greater sum than either of them. So it can be shown with the largest possible perimeter is 12. So in the third example, 5, 5, 15, which is -1, because there is no possible way to form a polygon from nums as a polygon has at least 3 sides and 50 greater than 5 plus 5. So it is not possible. So what is the approach here? Let's discuss. So first of all, we will initialize a variable answer to store the largest perimeter and initially set to -1. Now we will sort the input vector nums in non-decreasing order. So we will initialize a variable now sum to store the sum of the two smallest numbers. And now we will iterate through the elements of nums starting from index 2 and check if the current sum is greater than the current number. If so, we will update answer by taking the maximum between the current answer and the sum plus the current number. This statement is important. If the current sum is greater than the current number, if it is true, then we will update answer by taking the maximum between the current answer and the sum plus the current number. And at last we will increment the sum by adding the current number. Now we will return answer by the largest possible perimeter. So we will discuss how to write the code for this. Before that, if you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more content. So let's discuss. So we will create ans variable first and initialize it with -1. Now we will create an n to store the nums dot size. Now we will sort the nums variable, nums vector, nums dot begin to nums dot end. Now we will create a sum variable, long sum, which will be equal to nums of 0 plus nums of 1. Now we will iterate through for loop from int I equals to 2, I less than n, I plus plus, and if sum greater than nums of I, then answer equals to maximum of answer comma sum plus nums of I, and after that we will increment update sum equals to nums of I, and at last we will return answer. So this is the only solution for this type of problem. First of all, we will sort the nums vector, then we will initialize sum with nums of 0 and nums of 1, then we will iterate through 2 from 2 to n, and if we will check the condition, if sum is greater than nums of I, then we will update uns equals to maximum of answer comma sum plus nums of I, and we will update sum plus equals to nums of I, and then at last we will return answer. Let's check the solution. Yeah, the test cases run successfully. Check the hidden test cases. So the solution is correct. And talking about the time complexity, here it is a big O of n log n operation for sorting, and here it is a big O of n operation for loop. So overall big O of n log n time complexity, and space complexity will be constant big O of 1. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And stay tuned for upcoming LeetCode problem of the day videos and its exciting monstack web development projects. Stay tuned for another exciting problems. Thank you.